your places. My dear children, in our previous video, we have gone through the revision of chapter number 1, Shapes and Space. I hope that now whatever doubts you are having of the chapter are now clear to you all. So today we are going to start revision of chapter number 2, numbers from 1 to 9. In this video, we will revise number names from 1 to 9. We will revise count and match and what comes before and what comes after. So my dear children, let's start the revision.
So here we start the revision of chapter number 2, numbers from 1 to 9.
At first, we will revise number formation from 1 to 9.
Start at the top and down you run. One straight line, it's number 1. Make half a heart, give it a shoe. Top to bottom, it's number 2. Half round a tree, half round a tree. Curve it, it's number 3. Down and over and down some more. All straight line, it's number 4. Down and round with a flag on high. Every time, it's number 5. Make a curve, then loop in quick. Got the scoop, it's number 6. Across the sky, then down from heaven. High to low, it's number 7. Make an S and do not wait. Curve back up, it's number 8. Make a hoop and then draw a line. After 8, it's number 9.
Now, we have revised the formation of numbers with a beautiful poem. So now, let us revise the number names from 1 to 9.
O-N-E-1, T-W-O-2, T-H-R-E-E-3, F-O-U-R-4, F-I-V-E-5, S-I-A-X-6, S-E-V-E-N-7, E-I-G-H-T-8, N-I-N-E-9.
Let us revise now count and matching of the numbers. Here some fruits are given on the left hand side as you can see and numbers are given on right hand side. Yes, my dear children, you are correct. What we have to do here? We have to count the fruits and we have to match them with the correct numbers given on right hand side as we have done it in our earlier video also. So here first of all we will count the apples. 1, 2. So 2 apples are there. We will match the apples with the number 2. Now coming down to second one. Some mangoes are given. We will count the mangoes. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many mangoes are there? 4 mangoes. Then again we have to match the mangoes with the number 4 given on the right hand side. Coming down to the third one, let us count the bunches of cherries. 1, 2, 3. So now we will match the bunches of cherries with the number 3. Then last, coming down, let us count how many bunches of grapes are there. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So, we will match the bunches with number 5. Now, the next subtopic we are going to revise here is as many as. Here, we will compare the left hand side with the right hand side. So, the first example is, you can see 3 cars are there on left hand side and 3 cars are there on right hand side. So, comparing both sides, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Dear children, let us take an example from your book exercise. Let us revise as many as from your book exercise. Here on left hand side you can see 5 cats are there and on right hand side 5 rats are there. So 5 cats is equals to 5 rats. Both the sides are equal. Now coming down, how many rabbits are there? Let us count. 1, 2, 3. And same on the right hand side, 3 carrots are there. So left hand side is equals to right hand side. Both the sides are equal. Then coming down, you can see 4 shirts are there on left hand side and 4 trousers are there on right hand side. So here also both the sides are equal. Then coming down, 5 erasers are equal to 5 pencils. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Last, how many shoes are there? 4 shoes are there. 4 shoes are equal to 4 socks. So left hand side is equals to right hand side. The next subtopic we are going to revise is more or less. First, let us understand the concept of what is more and what is less. Here, more means a greater amount of and less means a smaller amount of. Let us understand the concept through examples. Here you can see 2 tables are there and some blocks are kept on the tables. Let us count the blocks on first table. 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 blocks on the first table. Now let us count the blocks on the second table. Here only 1 block is there. So which one is more and which one is less? Yes, the 3 blocks are more than the 1 block. 3 blocks are more and 1 block is less. Here you can see 2 bunches of balloons in next example. In one bunch, how many balloons are there? Yes, there are 6 balloons. And in second one, yes, there are 3 balloons in second bunch. So 6 is more and 3 is less. 6 balloons are more than 3 balloons. Now, the topic we are going to revise is about before, after and in between. We can understand the topic with the help of example. Here, 3 veggies are there. Vegetables are given here. Brinjal, cabbage and potato. Now, let us understand the positions of the vegetables. Here, cabbage is in between brinjal and potato. And what is the position of brinjal? Brinjal is placed before the cabbage. And the position of potato is, it is placed after the cabbage. So cabbage is in between brinjal and potato.
Let us revise the concept with the second example. Number 5 is in between. We have to guess which number comes before 5 and which number comes after 5. Yes, my dear children, number 4 comes before 5 and number 6 comes after 5.
My dear children, this is for today. I hope that now the chapter number 2, numbers from 1 to 9 is clear to you all, as we have revised all the topics in this video. Kindly watch the video properly and do the given PDF work in a neat and clean handwriting in your maths notebook. Dear children, at last I just want to say that please take care of yourself, obey your parents, and as you know that your exams, your PT1 are starting from 8th of June. So please prepare for your test. Revise all the topics that we have studied. Do watch the video carefully. And last but not the least, what you have to do? You have to eat healthy food. Avoid junk food. Wash your hands frequently. So, I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye. Take care. Thank you.